How good is your Spanish? In this video, you'll test yourself with 100 everyday objects. If you get half right, you're actually good. Let's begin. How do you say pillow?
Almohada.
How do you say frying pan?
Sartén.
How do you say stapler?
Grapadora.
How do you say comb?
Peine.
How do you say rug?
Alfombra.
How do you say bedspread?
Colcha.
How do you say drawer?
Cajón.
How do you say strainer?
Colador.
How do you say padlock?
Candado.
How do you say hanger?
Percha.
How do you say bag?
Bolsa.
In Spain, a bolsa is usually a plastic shopping bag. But in many parts of Latin America, women use the word bolsa for their purse or handbag. How do you say envelope?
Sobre.
How do you say zipper?
Cremallera.
How do you say plug?
Enchufe.
How do you say mirror?
Espejo.
How do you say broom?
Escoba.
How do you say mug?
Taza.
How do you say box?
Caja.
How do you say screw?
Tornillo.
How do you say curtain?
Cortina.
How do you say remote?
Mando.
In Spain, everyone calls this the mando, but in Mexico and Latin America, they say control or control remoto. If you can't find the TV remote, remember to ask for the control in the Americas. How do you say armchair?
Sillón.
How do you say battery?
Pila.
How do you say umbrella?
Paraguas.
How do you say basket?
Cesta.
How do you say ring?
Anillo.
How do you say sponge?
Esponja.
How do you say button?
Botón.
How do you say brush?
Cepillo.
How do you say hair dryer?
Secador.
How do you say towel?
Toalla.
How do you say beanie?
Gorro.
How do you say scarf?
Bufanda.
How do you say sock?
Calcetín.
Standard Spanish says calcetín, but in Latin America, people usually say medias. Be careful. In Spain, medias refers to women's tights or pantyhose. Don't get your footwear mixed up. How do you say tie?
Corbata.
How do you say dress?
Vestido.
How do you say wallet?
Cartera.
How do you say magnifying glass?
Lupa.
How do you say map?
Mapa.
How do you say eraser?
Borrador.
How do you say scissors?
Tijeras.
How do you say folder?
Carpeta.
How do you say tape?
Cinta.
How do you say balloon?
Globo.
How do you say die?
Dado.
How do you say guitar?
Guitarra.
How do you say whistle?
Silbato.
How do you say bell?
Campana.
How do you say camera?
Cámara.
How do you say flashlight?
Linterna.
How do you say candle?
Vela.
How do you say fan?
Abanico.
How do you say racket?
Raqueta.
How do you say shovel?
Pala.
How do you say anchor?
Ancla.
How do you say sofa?
Sofá.
How do you say fork?
Tenedor.
How do you say shoe?
Zapato.
How do you say pencil?
Lápiz.
How do you say wall?
Pared.
How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say bike?
Bici.
How do you say star?
Estrella.
How do you say bird?
Pájaro.
How do you say leaf?
Hoja.
How do you say egg?
Huevo.
How do you say plate?
Plato.
How do you say bathtub?
Bañera.
How do you say backpack?
Mochila.
How do you say ship?
Barco.
How do you say sandal?
Sandalia.
How do you say cap?
Gorra.
How do you say bench?
Banco.
How do you say plate?
Plato.
How do you say nail?
Clavo.
How do you say clock?
Reloj.
How do you say envelope? Sobre. How do you say canvas?
Lienzo.
How do you say bolt?
Perno.
How do you say bathtub? Bañera. How do you say mattress?
Colchón.
How do you say hose?
Manguera.
How do you say toaster?
Tostadora.
How do you say fridge?
Nevera.
How do you say iron?
Plancha.
How do you say ladder?
Escalera.
How do you say drill?
Taladro.
How do you say crane?
Grúa.
How do you say hat?
Gorra.
How do you say spoon?
Cuchara.
How do you say plate?
Plato.
How do you say helmet?
Casco.
How do you say clip?
Pinza.
How do you say necklace?
Collar.
How do you say notebook?
Cuaderno.
How do you say stamp?
Sello.
How do you say staple?
Grapa.
How do you say scooter?
Patinete.
How do you say sailboat?
Velero.
How do you say saw?
Sierra.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.